Ever wished your paycheck magically appeared in your account, ready to be spent or saved? Well, that's exactly what direct deposit does. But can you use direct deposit with Ally Bank? That's the burning question we're tackling today. Buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of direct deposit and see if Ally Bank fits the bill. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about why direct deposit is such a game changer. Forget those trips to the bank to deposit your hard-earned cash. With direct deposit, your employer or other sources of income, like government benefits, automatically transfer funds directly into your Ally Bank account. Think about it. Convenience, no more waiting in lines or worrying about lost checks. Speed, your money is available faster, often even on payday itself. Security, reduces the risk of lost or stolen checks. Automation, helps you stick to a budget and save more effectively. Pretty sweet, right? But can you actually do this with Ally Bank? The good news is, yes, you can absolutely use direct deposit with Ally Bank. They make it super easy to set up. How to set it up? Log into your Ally Bank account. You can usually do this through their website or mobile app. Find the direct deposit section. Look for something like direct deposit, payroll, or funding sources. Enter your employer's information. You'll need your employer's name, address, and sometimes an employer identification number, EIN. Provide your Ally Bank account information. This typically includes your account number and routing number. Submit your information. Once you've entered everything correctly, submit your request. What happens next? Your employer will receive your direct deposit information. They'll update their payroll system. And voila! Your next paycheck should be directly deposited into your Ally Bank account. Pro tip, double-check all the information you enter to avoid any delays or issues with your direct deposit, ***. Now, why is direct deposit with Ally Bank such a good deal? Let's break it down. High-yield savings account. If you're looking to grow your savings, Ally Bank offers a competitive interest rate on their high-yield savings accounts. Direct deposit makes it effortless to consistently contribute to your savings goals. Easy-to-use mobile app. Ally Bank has a user-friendly mobile app that allows you to easily track your direct deposits, manage your money, and even set up automatic transfers to your savings account. Excellent customer service. Ally Bank is known for its excellent customer service. If you encounter any issues with your direct deposit, their support team is readily available to assist you. But wait, there's more. Ally Bank often offers bonuses for new customers who set up direct deposit. Keep an eye out for these promotions to maximize your rewards. Alright, let's address some potential concerns you might have. What if I change jobs? No worries. You'll simply need to update your direct deposit information with your new employer. What if I need to stop direct deposit? You can usually stop direct deposit through your Ally Bank account settings or by contacting your employer. What if there's an error with my direct deposit? If you notice any discrepancies, contact your employer or Ally Bank customer service immediately to resolve the issue. Here are a few tips to ensure smooth sailing with direct deposit. Double-check all information. As mentioned earlier, accuracy is key. Allow processing time. It may take a few pay periods for your direct deposit to start. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account activity to ensure your direct deposits are processed correctly. Contact your employer if needed. If you're having trouble setting up direct deposit, reach out to your HR department for assistance. So, there you have it. Direct deposit with Ally Bank is a breeze. It's convenient, fast, and secure. By setting up direct deposit, you can streamline your finances, save time, and potentially earn some extra rewards. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.